As a wakifat, when we are serving as a full-time employee of Jama'at, then we get married, should we quit our service in Jama'at and be focused as a wife, or should we keep our service in Jama'at with a permission from husband?
Whatever you are doing, whether in the Jama'at or outside, after marriage, you should work with the permission and consent of your husband. Okay?
Yes.
But first thing is that you make your husband realize that if you are working for the Jama'at, it will help to increase your spiritual level as well, and the blessing of Allah Ta'ala. If you are working for the Jama'at, you are getting the blessing of Allah Ta'ala. So make your husband realize that let you work for the Jama'at. And in this way, you will be having more blessings, your family will be having more blessing of Allah Ta'ala. But if even despite that, your husband insists that no, you have to leave the work for the Jama'at, then for the time being you can leave it and keep on telling your husband and be persuasive. Tell him all the time that no, we should give some time to the Jama'at, then we can have more blessings of Allah Ta'ala. And also, a waqf-e-no girl should tell the person whom they are going to get married and the family that being a waqf-e-no, this is our obligation to serve for the Jama'at whenever we are asked by the Jama'at to come forward. So, I am a waqf-e-no. Being a waqf-e-no, it is my duty. So, you will have to understand this thing that after marriage even, I will work for the Jama'at whenever I am asked to do it.